From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using flimsy hangers that can't even hold your clothes properly, let alone organize your closet in style? That's where Quality Hangers 100-pack bundle non-velvet comes in, a game changer for your wardrobe. This incredible bundle includes 50 white and 50 black non-velvet plastic hangers, giving you a versatile and stylish mix for all your wardrobe needs. With their ultra-thin construction, these hangers are perfect for maximizing space in small closets, and the smooth non-flock surface makes hanging and removing clothes a breeze. No more sticking or frustration. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The durable and sturdy build of these hangers supports heavy garments without bending or breaking, and the 360-degree swivel hook makes it easy to hang and remove clothes with a simple, smooth sound. The optimized sizes of the hangers, with the white ones measuring 17.5 inches and the black ones 16.5 inches, provide options for different garment sizes and types, so you can hang everything from delicate dresses to heavy coats with confidence. Whether you're a student looking to organize your dorm closet or a professional trying to maximize your closet space, these hangers are a must-have. They're easy to set up, and the result is a neatly organized closet that makes your life easier. Say goodbye to cluttered closets and hello to a more organized you. With Quality Hangers 100-pack bundle non-velvet, you'll be amazed at how much of a difference they can make. So why not give them a try and experience the benefits for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.